Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to find your lost controller PS5. So if you're interested, start tutorial. So if you're having problems with finding your controller here for your PS5, there are going to be a few things that you could try here. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to identify if you've installed or added a tracker on it. So for example, if you've attached something like an AirTag or something similar to that, or a similar tracking device to your controller, now use the app associated to that to basically help you locate it. Now usually it would show you the precise location. So yeah. So another thing that you could try here, or basically determine where your controller is you could actually check your Bluetooth connection. Now, if your controller is still powered on and it was previously paired with a device like your phone or tablet, head over to your Bluetooth settings and of that device. And if the controller shows up as connected, then that means it's quite nearby. So you could go and start searching around the area, check under couches, pillows, beds, or anywhere it might have slipped. Now, you might also need to check at the back of your TV. So if you have some space on it, it may have like fallen into through that. Go ahead and check that, and also some crevices in your house, especially in your wherever you installed it. And finally, the last thing you could do here is just do the good old-fashioned search. So if neither of the options before work, do a tour search on your space. Maybe lift some areas you don't usually check. Check under couches, check under your bed, and yeah. So in this case, though, unfortunately, those are the only ways that you could basically find your PS5 here. There's not much that we could do here, so there's no specific app for that unless you've installed one yourself. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Len Up. Thank you for watching.